So this is my train station, and today I'll be comparing this to an animal cell. So first thing we do is we walk down this path and we go to the station master or the ticket booth. And this ticket booth acts like a nucleus of a cell because it controls the entire train station. Behind the ticket master, you can see these little blocks back here which act as nuclei because they duplicate the amount of ribosomes. So if we ask them for a ticket right now, the nucleus, or these people right here, if we ask them for a ticket, they're going to give us a ticket, and we're going to go back to the front entrance of our train station. Back at the front entrance, we walk up to this tripwire, and it acts as our cell membrane, because without putting the ticket down, I can just go here and I can't walk through because there's a barrier here. So if I put my tickets down, it's gonna open the door which will let me go through. Next, we will talk about the mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. So we first walk over here. As you can see, this is something we call redstone dust. Now, redstone dust in Minecraft acts as wires, and we're using this to power this mitochondria. So in Minecraft terms, it's a piston pushing a redstone block. This acts as a battery, but in cell terms, where we are we are giving power to the mitochondria, and the mitochondria is now powering our ribosomes. This is our ribosome right here. It's called a Minecraft redstone comparator, but this will act as a ribosome in our cell. The ribosome powers the endoplasmic reticulum, which is this redstone dust right here. It powers it, and the proteins go through the endoplasmic reticulum, and it moves on and on and on. These other things, these repeaters, act like Golgi apparatuses because they also assist the endoplasmic reticulum in moving down proteins and transporting proteins. Next, I will talk about our lysosomes. Now, lysosomes in a cell basically take the trash and like throw it away. They like pick up trash and they clean the cell using digestive enzymes. So these mobs or like creatures you see right now, they're called the lays in Minecraft, and they act as our lysosomes for our cells. For example, if I drop paper on the ground, they will go pick it up and they'll bring it away from like the cell itself. So if someone decides to trash the train station, they will pick up all the trash, right? And so they act as our lysosomes because they pick up all of our trash for us. Next, I will talk about our vacuole. So I built two things to simulate a vacuole. First is this fridge, which is not functional, but it's to represent like how a vacuole stores food or like proteins and nutrients. And this hopper, Minecraft hopper, which acts as our trash can, or how vacuole also stores some trash. So if we drop, for example, the paper they picked up for us earlier into here, it's gonna just take it away. Now I will show you the process on how the train actually arrives here. So what we do is we walk down here, we take the ticket, and we put the tickets on the trap wire. Door opens, we walk through, and when we walk through, what's actually happening is these are getting powered, and if I go here, you can see they're slowly getting powered, and the proteins are being transferred using the endoplasmic reticulums. These proteins keep getting transferred on and on and on until they eventually come and power the train, and the train starts moving. So anyone sitting in the train station right now could see the train start to move closer and closer to them. Now the train has arrived, and any passenger that wants can get on the train. Next thing I will be explaining is our centrosome. Now, a centrosome is something that duplicates the cell. It helps it divide into more and more cells. So for this, I used a block called the structure block. Now, the structure block acts as our cell multiplier or our centrosome, right? And what the structure block does is, in Minecraft, what a structure block does is it takes two coordinates and copies everything between them and pastes them somewhere else. What a centrosome does is it divides the cell into more cells. So you can see these are very similar to each other. And this completes the train station with a working train and all the parts of an animal cell explained. This concludes my presentation for why an animal cell is similar to my train station made with redstone in Minecraft. Thank you.